The Magical Paintbrush. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a young artist named Lily. She loved painting beautiful pictures, but her brushes were worn out. One day, while exploring the forest, Lily found a magical paintbrush hidden behind a waterfall. The brush sparkled and glowed. A gentle fairy appeared, saying, "This brush will bring your paintings to life. Use it to make others happy." Lily returned to her village and painted a bright sun for the gloomy sky. The villagers rejoiced at Lily's magical creations. But a greedy king, eager to own the brush, stole it from Lily. The fairy reappeared. "Kindness, not greed, brings true magic." Lily's paintings faded, and the king's kingdom suffered. The king returned the brush, apologizing. Lily forgave and painted again. The village flourished, and Lily's art brought joy to all. Moral: creativity and kindness bring happiness.